Hi everyone, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator with a quick update on our SPY combination trade. So this is where we had the bear put spread with the hope of the market falling, and we financed a bit of that, but not all of that, with a short put at a later expiry at the 620 strike. So you can see overall in the trade at the moment, we're down about $70 a contract. But if we expand out here, you can see there's three legs to the contract. This is our bear put spread, the October towards 660, 650. This is really where we want SPY to drop below 650. Now, SPY's at 667 now. It's gone up slightly since we placed this trade, so the trade isn't going the way we wanted it to go. But at the same time, it's not too far away. It's only like 2.5% away, 3% away from being below 650. So I want to try and give this as much time as possible to work out. But having said that, I don't want to lose on the trade either. So let's say, for argument's sake, and I'm not saying you should do this today, you wanted to close out on the trade. We could go and sell our 660 put today, take in 301, and then we could buy back the short put here. See, it's -1 at 650, and we'd pay out 147. So that would bring us in a net, let's say, $150 in a credit. Now, we originally spent $100 on the trade, so we'd be in a credit of $50. And then all we would have then, these two would disappear, would be this short 620 put, which is easily managed. We could roll it out and down to a later expiry if we wanted, if it started coming under pressure. So whilst this trade is showing a $70 loss at the moment, we could actually turn it into a $50 profit if we act soon. Now, as I said, I want to give this trade every chance to try and work out. It's not a lot percentage-wise for the trade to actually fall in order for us to start making money on it. It just needs to fall 2%. So I'm going to give it to Thursday or Friday before I take this action. But the purpose of this video is really just to highlight to you what I'm going to do. If it's a situation, look, there's no chance of this falling here, I would literally just right click on this, close that down, right click on this, close that down, and then we leave this one open here. Then we just wait till October the 17th. Great chance this will just expire worthless and we'll have made $50 a contract. So that's how we will turn this trade around from being a $70 loss to a $50 profit. And that's the beauty of the trade we put on. I just want to explain it to you. We took a gamble, basically. We wanted the market to fall. It hasn't fallen yet, but we can still turn this trade around and turn it into a profit. That's the beautiful thing about options, especially when you know what you're doing. So just to be clear, I am not closing anything today. This is really just to give you the heads up as to what I might do either on Thursday or Friday of this week if there's no sign of SPY coming back at all. Fingers crossed SPY starts to drop. If it starts to drop, I might hold on a little bit longer with a view to try and making a profit on the original trade. Okay, this is Stephen with just an update on the SPY bear put spread financed by this short put, which expires at a later expiry. Thanks and bye for now.